One ogbonge non-governmental organization wey dem dey call the People's Movement for a New Nigeria dey call on the federal government to make security matter number one for we country, say make dem create state and local police around the country. President of the organization, Yahaya Undu, talk this one for one talk with Tori people for Port Harcourt. E con talk say creating the agencies go protect more lives and properties for local communities where the federal police no go fit reach.
Take a look at the problem of insecurity in our country. Why have we refused to create state and local government police to police our states and local government areas? Why are we running what we call a federation and say no to operating federally structured police to ensure protection of lives and property, which our constitution says to be the primary objective of government? Take the issue of the alarming price of petroleum products in the country today, which is causing untold hardship to the overwhelming majority of Nigerians. Is it not strange that a country with abundance of petroleum deposits has continued to export crude oil to be refined abroad and then reported into the country, and talking about subsidy to make it affordable to Nigerians, while at the same time attacking and destroying locally built refineries in hundreds and thousands of places by the good and industrial people, mostly of our youths? Why have we not deemed it necessary for our government to encourage and financially and materially empower the builders of those local refineries to rather standardize their products and ensure safety in their operating environment, and measures to ensure zero pollution of the environment rather than using resources to destroy their investment and refineries? The way we are carrying on, does it make any sense? If we encourage them as we should, we will indirectly be creating employment. By the way, what stops us from taking a few months to organize to fit in the right gadgets in our automobiles to enable them to run on gas rather than flaring and wasting our gas resources?
From Port Harcourt, A. Carter Ojesili, TMC TV News.